Hello children, today we are going to see the new topic Pythagoras Theorem. This theorem is named after the mathematician Pythagoras. He said that in a right angle triangle only, the side opposite to 90 degree is known as hypotenuse. So in right angle triangle, the hypotenuse side square equals to square of other two sides. So here we are going to see the topic Pythagoras theorem and problems based on it. So write the names of the hypotenuse of each of the right angle triangles shown below. As I said, the side opposite to 90 degree angle is known as hypotenuse. It is also known as the largest side of a right angle triangle. The hypotenuse of triangle ABC is AC. So AC is the side opposite to 90 degree. So AC is the hypotenuse of triangle ABC. Similarly, in triangle MLN, angle L is of 90 degree. So side opposite to 90 degree is MN. So hypotenuse of triangle LMN is MN. In triangle XYZ, the hypotenuse of triangle XYZ is angle Y equals to 90 degree. So side opposite to 90 degree is XZ. So hypotenuse of triangle XYZ is XZ. Now in this question 2, draw right angle triangles with the lengths of hypotenuse and one side as shown in the rough figure below. Measure the third side. Verify the Pythagoras theorem. This is given on textbook page number 87. Activity it is, you can work out one example I am showing you. Second and third you have to do by yourself. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on my email address. I will explain you. Here first problem please see. In triangle ABC, how to draw the triangle ABC of the given measure? Take BC equals to 3 centimeter. You know how to measure 90 degree angle at point B. Keep the protractor here and measure 90 degree angle. Then take radius in a compass of 5 centimeter. From point C, mark an arc here. Wherever it intersects, that will be point A. Now measure the length AB. You will come across it equals to 4 centimeter. When you take BC as 3 centimeter and AC as 5 centimeter and you measure the remaining side, you will get 4 centimeter. From the figure by measurement, length AB equals to 4 centimeter. Now in right angle triangle, AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. As I told you in the beginning, in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse side square equals to sum of square of other two sides, that is AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. Now in right angle triangle as explained above, ABC, length AB square plus length BC square equals to 4 square plus 3 square equals to 16 plus 9 equals to 25. And length AC square equals to 5 square, that is 25. So sum of square of other two side equals to hypotenuse side square. From 1 and 2 equation we say, therefore by Pythagoras theorem it is verified. As I said, students, you can draw the triangles PQR and XYZ and verify the Pythagoras theorem, that is example numbers 2nd and 3rd, by yourself. I am sure this point is very clear to you. Next, on a sheet of card paper, draw right angle triangles of sides 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. Construct a square on each of the sides. Find the area of each of the squares and verify Pythagoras theorem. This activity is given on textbook page number 89. So what you do? You take angle ABC of the same measure. AB equals to 3 centimeter, BC equals to 4 centimeter, AC equals to 5 centimeter. Now you make at 5 centimeter, you make equal parts of 1 centimeter each. And like this boxes you make a square of 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter on this side and 1 centimeter. So each area will be of 1 centimeter, square centimeter. Like this 3 centimeter is there, so 3 parts, so 3 by 3, you have to make this type of figure. And for 4 centimeter, 4 by 4. Now measure how many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 centimeter square area is there. For here, it will be 25 square centimeter. And for here, area will be 16 square centimeter. Now here you will see area of square quadrilateral ABLM. ABLM equals to AB square. That is 3 square equals to 9 square centimeter. You can measure the 9 boxes here. Similarly, BC square equals to 4 square this side. So 16 boxes are there, 16 square centimeter, and AC square equals to 25 square centimeter. Now 25 equals to 16 plus 9. That is 5 square equals to 4 square plus 3 square. Therefore, what is 5 square? AC square, 4 square, BC square, and 3 square, AB square. That is hypotenuse square equals to base square plus height square. Question number 4. Here is an activity which you will perform. For your reference, I am giving here. But please see from the numbers 1 to 50. Pick out the Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet means the two small number, its squares sum will be equal to the largest number square. For example, we have already taken 3, 4, 5 in the above two examples. So 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16, 9 plus 16, 25 equals to 5 square. So like this, you have to find out. Again, I repeat, 5 square, 25, 12 square, 144, 144 plus 25, 169 equals to 13 square, 169. So that is how you can calculate the same. So try yourself. Here are the 7 numbers given. You can verify the same. If you have any doubt, you are most welcome. In the next video, we will see the practice set 48. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice time. Thank you.